Hello, teacher.
Hello, Min. So you cannot enter the book? What's the
Yes.
problem? Were you able to enter a while ago, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
I saw your name when I had a book uh
Okay.
with my first class. Okay, so now I think you have problems. So if there's problem, then we're gonna have Zoom. And Min, my Zoom will not reach until 40 minutes. So we will end the class at 25 minutes or 28 minutes. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so here, let's have this one, unit 26. We did a little of this already, and we are going to finish this unit 26 main before we go to the next one. Now here, as you can see, I have here a picture. You are going to read the given text and write the names of the people who live in each flat. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flats, and you're going
Yes.
to read the names of this and then write the names of the people who live here.
Okay.
Go, man. Just write their names on top on the given line. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, good luck, man.
Yay. I'm finished.
How about the last flat min? What's your answer there?
Meter and meter wide.
Okay, Mr. and Mrs. White. Min, please read the text. I will try to listen how you pronounce the words here in the text. Go, please read. Mr. and Mrs. White. Go.
Mr. and Mr. White
Mrs.
live at
Again,
the
it's not Miss.
bottom.
Again, Min. Mrs.
Mrs.
Good.
live in the bottom of the stair. Below Mary
Stairs. There's S.
stairs.
Stairs. Good.
Below Mary Pink. Mr. White is a cool and like
likes
cooking a lot at home too. They often invite friends to their flat and they have dinner parties. Anna and Bill Brown love reading quietly in their living room. They don't like living above Miss Green because she plays very loud music when she comes home.
man
After
comes home after work.
Miss Green lives opposite her friend Mary Pink. They are both learning to play the guitar as they make a lot of noise. Mark Gray's flat is under Miss Green. He doesn't have to drive to work because he works his website at home, but he puts on his roller skate and skate around the park every morning first.
Okay, continue. The newest.
Something new. Because he's work on his website at home, but he put a hero skate and skate around the park every morning first. The new person in this house is Julia Blue. Julia.
Again, Julia Blue.
Julia Blue.
Next.
Uh,
Come on. She moved into
remove into the flat. The flat. The flat at the top of the stair. 2 floors above is
above
above is Mr. and Mr.
Mrs.
Mr. White's apartment. She loves skateboarding and wants to be a pop star.
Okay, let's check. So we have here the text about these people who lives in this given flat. So let's check. First flat is very good. Anna and Bill Brown. Next, Julia Blue. Next, below Anna and Bill Brown flat is Miss Green. Opposite is Mary Pink. Both of them loves to play guitar. Next, we also have there below Miss Green's house flat is Mr. Mark Gray, and the opposite is Mr. and Mrs. White. I very good, man. You were able to name the owners of this flat in the picture. Okay, now hear me. I want you to tell me what room do we do in that. Now hear me. People cook in this room and they sometimes eat there. Which room is this?
This kitchen.
Okay. Number 2, we have a shower and a wash them dry our bodies here. Which room is this, man?
Is the bathroom.
Bathroom. Number 3, people sit and watch TV in this room. What room is this, Minad?
Living room.
Okay, very good. Now here, when you go into a home, this is often the first room you said. The room, which room is this?
Um. I don't know.
Oh, look at the answer, Min. Here is also a living room, okay? When you go to the house, the owner will tell you, Min Ann, you enter. Please come to my house, Min. Please enter. The one or the place in the house where you enter first is the living room. And it's also the place where people sit and watch movie. Okay, there you go. So, Min, we finished Unit 26 now. So, we move now to Unit 27. Yeah, we are now here at Unit 27. And Min, what Unit 27 all about? Unit 27 is, what's the lesson all about? It's about seeing
Different.
differences. Okay, seeing different. All right, Min. So we have here vocabulary words. I want you to read what are these words. First is, what's the first word? It's grow, feed, and
Type.
okay, good. Now next, Min, what are the other 4 vocabulary words? We have sail. What else? Okay, we have sail, water, put, and asleep. Oh, very easy words. Okay, now here, Min, let's do mover's tip. In reading and writing part 1, you should underline the keywords in the definitions like this. These, it, and they. These words help you to understand what type of word, is it singular, plural, or uncountable, you are looking for. Now, Min, I want you to write what are these things in the picture. Go. Please write their names.
Yes. Yeah. Apple, penguin, bird, a pen. Penguin, bird, a penguin, bird, a bird, penguin, bird, a penguin, bird, bird, penguin. Good. Leaves, a balcony, a cat, tractor, roll, a mustang, a bird, penguin, bird, sled.
Okay, let's check if you were able to name these things. So we have here leaves, correct? Balcony, correct? Cap, correct? Tractor, correct? Rock, mustache, boat, penguins, boots, and plants. Very good, Min. You were able to write the correct names of these things in the picture. First, Min, you enter again to my Zoom class, Min, to continue the given activity. Okay, enter again.